I feel that Indian 3D printing industry is in a very nascent stage. And in the next 5 years, I feel 2020 is going to be one of the biggest year for 3D printing industry, where I feel the growth of 3D printers will go to around 2x or 3x times. So I feel in the next 5 years, we will see a tremendous growth in the Indian industry. People are getting used to it, and also India is known for its brains. So people are, very knowledgeable. They have a lot of, research about a lot of things. A 3D printer becomes a good tool to get their final products in place in a much faster and easy way. I launched my brand in 2016. I launched in October 2016, and December was my first exhibition that we did with AMTECH. And this is my third exhibition which are doing year on year. I think it's a brilliant platform, and for people like us it becomes very easy because the entire industry is going to come under one roof. So it becomes very easy, and also when there is a bond in the industry and when there is more collaboration, the growth is much faster and much bigger. So in AMTECH, I've seen a lot of collaborative work, and I personally, as a brand WOL3D, we have done collaboration with most of the industry players in India. So hence our growth has been very fast. Yeah, like-minded people coming together, and I think collaboration is the next big thing. If you collaborate and not compete is when the future is.